Makes restaurant-quality pizzas, bread, pastries and vegetables. Absorbs oven heat and transfers it evenly. Recommended for up to 500 degrees in a standard home oven. Durable, non-cracking, crafted from a blend of lead-free clays. Specially engineered heat core eliminates soggy centers. Easy maintenance, rinse and air dry, seasons over time. Dimensions, 14 round. Pizza night is a weekly festivity in your household, and it doesn't take place without this 14-round pizza stone. The stone is made to evenly distribute heat and provide a soggy-free center, helping to procure the pepperoni pie of their dreams. It's also got ridges on the bottom that make it easy to pick up and set down. The best part? The baking stone's symmetry keeps your pizza toppings tidy and in line, which is more than you can say for your rowdy pizza night crowd. And don't stop with just the saw. This stone can be used to evenly cook bread, pastries and even vegetables. Top reviews from the United States. Follow the directions to bake pizza having crisp crust. The most important thing you can do with this product is to carefully read the single sheet of instructions provided in the box with the pizza stone. The box should be saved as it is excellent for storing the stone between use. There are online videos on how to use a pizza stone which may prove helpful. If you are already a seasoned pizza stone user, then the cleaning instructions may provide you some helpful hints. With a 500 degrees Fahrenheit oven preheat, we obtain pizza with a delightful, crisp crust and properly baked cheeses and toppings. Our pizza was not too droopy, the crust provided a nice crunch, and the toppings were cooked to perfection after we zeroed in on best cooking time for our particular dough and toppings. We ended up baking for 18 to 22 minutes after the oven reached 500 degrees Fahrenheit before we slid the pizza onto the stone. Cleaning instructions need to be adhered to in order to prevent oil buildup which can generate fumes and smoke. The product box is sturdy and foam-lined for ease of storage and can be slid between cabinets when not in use. Happy eating. Helpful. Report abuse.